Hi guys, and welcome back to another YouTube channel. I am super excited because this is the first time ever I'm gonna recreate a look, taking a look from a previous and using that look to do this one. So if you haven't seen my video from before, you might want to check that one out and see why I'm wearing Morticia, but I want to do Fester. Oh my god, you guys, I think Fester is super funny, and of course because I am lightly bald, I wanted to recreate that for you guys. So we're gonna take this Morticia look and turn it into Fester for the ones that want to be Fester for Halloween. I think, like I said, I think he's super funny. And hey, wait, before we go to that, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share my YouTube channel. I would really appreciate it, and thank you again for following me and watching this one. So let's get to it. Hey, let's go. Okay, so in order to start, we have to take all this off because, as you know, he does not have high cheekbones or red lips or lashes, and definitely not here. So let's go ahead and start taking off all these stuff. You guys have no idea how amazing that feels on taking it off of a bald head. Y'all, like, it's so amazing. I'm gonna take off my makeup with Almay makeup remover wipes. I find them super, they're gentle, oil-free. Sometimes they're like really oily, and me with oily skin, that doesn't go well. So I'm gonna go ahead and take these cheekbones off. See how quick that was? Like, straight up. Didn't even have to do much. Okay. Now that cheekbones are out, I look a little crazy. Lipstick, let's take that out. Uncle Fester does not have red lips. I'm gonna put this here so I can see. Oh goodness. Ah! All right, let's take these beautiful lashes out and make sure you save them because they are still good. Okay, so I think that's pretty good to start him off. Just making sure I'm pretty dry because I'm gonna put on some white again. Let's get to it. So the first thing is you apply the white. Again, I'm using the Snazaroo. I want to say he's a little bit more pale than Morticia, so I'm going to give him a little bit more white as well. Because I have no hair, I'm going to be applying white all over my head. Some people use the ball cap and then they paint it, but I'm not gonna lie, again, I don't do Halloween looks, so that's not gonna work for me because I wouldn't know how to apply it. So I'm sure there's YouTube videos, but I didn't want to lie and act like I'm a pro. I'm just not that type of person. I'm gonna keep it completely honest with y'all, and you guys can go through this with me together. The good thing about Snazaroo, guys, is that this makeup does come off very easy. So it's literally water-based, so you don't have to worry about like, oh my god, I have to take it out with like a bunch of like makeup removers and stuff like that. Like, literally water and you're probably good. This kind of hurts the fingers. I never use a blending what is this? A blending sponge or whatever it's called, because I feel like it does soak up my makeup, but I'm kind of liking it. I've been using it to do my Halloween looks and I am liking it. I'm not gonna lie, I might switch to sponge soon. So don't be shocked if one day you turn on my YouTube and I'm sponging my face to do my foundation. If this is a guy doing it and you guys are bald, like literally all you gotta do is put white all over your head. And if you're bald, like that would be so amazing. So he has like dark eyes, so I'm gonna go ahead and add I think I'm gonna pencil this one in and then blend him out a little bit. And it doesn't have to be perfect because you're gonna blend him anyways. Okay. Uncle Fester had some like lines up here and some down here and stuff, so we're gonna go ahead and add those in for him. I'm gonna start with very, very light, and then you can make it as dark as you want, but you're supposed to do like a little bit of wrinkles on him. So we're gonna I'm gonna go ahead and give Fester a little bit more here, just to make it more look like a frown. Guys, this is pretty much it. Like, there's no like amazing way to do Uncle Fester. Oh yeah, don't forget your ears too. Like with Morticia, your ears were fine because you had hair, but with Uncle Fester, they have to be white. Alright guys, let's change our clothes. I'm not doing that on camera because that is very weird and I might be flagged for some type of like nudity. So stay tuned for the next look. Alright guys, so this is my final look. This is my fester look, and you guys don't have to go all crazy. It's just a very plain white, black, a little bit of wrinkles kind of thing, and then you'll be set. So you should get it done within like 10 minutes tops. So I'm excited that you guys got to see the whole transition from Morticia to Fester. And guys, make sure you subscribe and you like and you comment on my channel. I would love to interact with you guys. Don't forget to follow me on social media, on Instagram as well. And thank you guys again. I love you guys, and have a very safe Halloween, and make sure you get tons of candy, especially chocolate. It's my favorite. Bye guys.